Buffer Premium pricing explained what you get for your money. Buffer Premium costs per month per social channel, billed annually. Most people think it's only a posting scheduler, but the surprising truth is that Buffer Premium combines scheduling analytics and audience engagement tools into one streamlined platform. With Buffer Premium, you can plan and schedule posts across Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. It also includes performance metrics for clicks, shares, and reach, helping you see which content resonates most. Team collaboration features make it easy to assign posts, approve content, and maintain a consistent voice across accounts. For your money, you're getting more than just automation, you're getting actionable insights and organized workflows. Brands using Buffer Premium often report improved posting efficiency, better content performance tracking, and smoother team coordination. In conclusion, Buffer Premium delivers value by making social media management simple, data-driven, and collaborative. If your goal is to streamline posting and optimize engagement, Buffer Premium is a solid investment.